last time on the Zai show.
Oh my God! No, no, no! We won! It's over! It's over! It's over! It's over! Shoot for it! That's a play? Shoot for it! Up ball! Wow.
I see.
Step back, nigga.
Yes.
That's how you do it. TJB, get this nigga stuck here. Get this nigga. Get a little strong, GB. Oh my God. You're running it back right now.
Yes, we are running it back.
You're not gonna hit wild or like, if y'all want to, I don't care. I ain't gonna lie, bro.
I just need one more game.
I need sustenance, sure. Lefty.
My ankle. Ooh.
That was done, bro.
What do you mean?
Bro, you shooting the game once, bro. That's all y'all worried about. That's what I'm saying. You shooting the game once. As long as you doing it, you going over.
Yeah. This is more time for space.
That's the bird on
that bitch.
All right, y'all ready?
Yeah.
Let me get my free shot. Let me get my free shot.
Absolutely not him.
Please.
All right, y'all, let's get it. Who you want, Josh?
Three threes?
I want Josh.
Josh shot now. Oh, I got that ball. That's a foul.
What game go to?
12.
12?
Like 12?
12.
Y'all niggas is 12.
12.
I don't fuck 12.
Y'all want to do 7? All one?
Until I get this done.
Niggas ain't want to do 7 all one.
The white man's game I'm playing now.
Pass that shit. Pass that shit, man.
He like Jay Lou.
I pass it back. You want it back? I got pass it back.
Come on, Jay Lou. Come on, Jay Lou.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Stay over. Go on that side. Josh gonna try to collapse. Oh shit. That was watch it back. Watch it. You want Josh? What you want?
Go ahead. You got Josh. If he shoots, I'm not worried.
You see that fly? Give it go.
Yeah, that was good. That was nice.
Right? What the fuck wrong with bro? He got slides on.
Oh, damn.
Watch your left. Watch your left.
Yeah, good shot.
That's cool. I really like hit
Two. Yeah.
Oh shit. There he's over here. Shoot it. I was there actually. Yeah, I was there actually. That's why I don't even like.
Is that 3?
3-1.
3. Trey.
3-1. 3-1.
Trey. Nah.
Son. 10 o'clock.
Oh, it's bro. Yes! Y'all niggas he's got perfect placement, bro. Nah, I'm right up. I'm back. I'm back. Hey, shooting that shit with his knee in. Hey, that nigga hit them up. I did not set myself up, nigga. You did. You did. I said a number. Any nigga say a number, that can't be the answer. That can't be the answer. Shoot the midi, bro. Shoot the midi. Do the slow step. Shoot the midi.
Oh my God.
Oh, yeah. I hate Nam. He helped so hard, bro. He helped too hard. Hey, Nam over there, 3. He just not.
My fault, I see you.
Let's go.
Oh, yeah.
We'll live.
He thought about it too much. He thought about it.
That's us.
I should
This
jump.
nigga gets nothing bad at the top of the fucking limit down here. He's in that circle, man. Shut up, saying that shit.
Imagine Sean TRT.
Can't fit that.
Victory. Take that nigga down, bro.
I'm about to. I'll see how they playing now. I know.
Close on is illegal.
Gotta go where it's
That's me.
You green, that was you though.
That was discouraging, though.
Yeah. Green. That's what we shoot. Oh no! Oh no!
That was crazy. That's your high.
That's all you.
Yep.
No fucking way!
See, I don't be wanting to jump because it's like you.
That was right that time.
Don't fuck with you. That was nice.
Appreciate it. They don't fuck with me after.
Yeah,
Immediately after.
crazy. How can you do that though? Like, shot be like pulling out every once in a while. You say
Because he think he thoroughly shit. Like, next time we do that, I'm swatting that shit to the gate. Oh my God, he took me. Give me the ball. Give me the ball. This nigga think he thoroughly.
That's 4-5.
Put it in his pocket. He acting out of character. Nigga acting out of character like he needs to get his ass bust.
keeping him warm.
That's what I did. Stay there.
Yep, stay there. Oh, that's it. Oh, that don't make sense. I ain't gonna lie though.
I know that move. I know that move. Be lucky.
Come on now. Now I'm playing fair.
Oh, cut you, big bitch.
Shoot, J-Bo.
Oh, leave.
You not cutting, bro. Why you stopping? Because, man, I never know something. You never got it. Shit, I'm throwing a shot. J-Bo!
Break. Damn. That's a good touch. 20-12.
This nigga making the shots more different. Nah, it's cool.
What y'all got?
I don't know. 7.
7, 8 or something. 6, 7, yeah. 6, 7. 7, 4.
That's a man. That's a man.
Take that.
That's a damn finger right there. What the fuck is that? You want to get the ball? What happened?
Yeah.
Lefty.
You calculated right.
Righty.
Don't do that though. Don't do that. Don't do that though. Don't do that.
Get past my man.
Hell no.
What you mean?
Pass me.
What?
Foul. He said
foul.
Wait for that well arm.
Yeah, that quesadilla.
You guys are gonna steal. I'm not.
Hey, my mommy sent me money from Ruby, man.
Watch your back. Watch your back, gang.
Good shot, Josh.
Oh my God.
That was a terrible shot.
All right, bro, be safe.
That's out. That's out. That's out.
Damn it.
Regardless, what you?
Oh, man. Y'all ready?
Yeah.
He's full of power. Let me see something, bro. Pull up. Pull up cheese. Pull up cheese. Pull up cheese. Bro, why you pass?
Oh shit. You okay?
Yeah, you just came straight down on my face. Pause.
Whoa.
Gay.
Hey, yo. Yo.
He's gay on camera. Oh, you get what you
You alright?
I'm good, bro. I'm good, bro. I'm good.
I'm sorry, man.
He was working on his face. No, he didn't.
That's what his words. His words.
It's red word. You got allergic reaction?
Nah, you know, just kind of immune to that.
left, right. Oh shit.
Oh my god. I caught his shoulder. What the fuck?
Just stay where you at now. Just stay. You always gonna shoot it. That's a bucket.
Yes, that's good. Yeah. Fuck. No.
Whoa!
Illegal.
What?
Illegal. Take that.
We were playing like that the whole game?
Like that.
He knew that. He knew that.
Take back everything.
We good, bro. Check out.
Yo.
Here, throw the ball. Throw the ball.
I'm gonna let you have it.
Okay, I bet.
You can have me. Hey, that seat though.
Come on.
Yes. Oh, that was good. That was a good move.
Like he put it on.
Alright.
87, we hold. Oh, let me. Oh, no.
Good difference, T-Big. He's coming out.
How?
Like the higher one.
Yeah. Like, if I miss, I'll take fucking foul.
Fucking man, shoot a three real quick, man. Nah, get argue about it. Hit one now. Hit one now.
That's you. In game, like we say, in game.
Man, Leon,
In game.
Leon somewhere crying.
Hey, Bert.
Oh, here, that I can't.
Somebody's all in there.
Get in there.
You gonna shoot it, bro.
Hey, come on, Bert.
That's a break.
Run it out.
How the fuck you keep doing that? What the fuck you doing that? Make crazy noise. Go get it now. Go get it. Yo, Delbert, run up on and make a noise.
That's it, by the way. I just wanted to let y'all know that that was going in. So we can laugh all we want, but that's going in.
Nigga stupid, bro.
Oh, that is 9. That had 8.
9?
10.
That's 10.
He was up 2.
See? These niggas been playing so on the after goal
Here's 10.
the whole series.
My fault. I'm a business
All right,
major.
man. I don't know, man. That's all. Me not from the American States.
I think so.
Wait. It's what?
10-7, we got 10.
Okay, that sounds right. Had to make sure.
Hold up. Win by 2.
No. Straight.
I caught it.
Straight.
It's the last game, bro. It's the last game. So you better give us the ball back.
Yes.
What are we shooting for?
For what? Just that for y'all to lose?
What the fuck is this, man? You said shoot for he shoot. One man two. Whoa, that's
I don't give a fuck. You ain't lying.
Hey,
Oh, that's it.
oh my gosh!
Screen right. Whoa. That's our ball.
they got it.
I'm gonna put you right there if you want to play.
He wants it. He wants the goddamn ball.
That's a break. Don't even worry about it.
Oh, damn! Fucking Superman,
Your lady's all right?
Get that payback. Get that payback. Get that payback. Get that payback. I heard it too. Nigga hit me in my face.
Come on.
Man, expect it like a mixtape. Catch you at your crib. If you reading this, it's too late.
When the chop at it, nigga.
Now he running like a track race. Catch a nigga while he waiting on his dinner, cut his head off, leave his ass with a full plate.
You close your eyes, yeah. They see
Right in the paint. Post them up.
Right here, dog.
That's it, don't worry.
What the
Damn.
fuck? Hell no.
Oh, hell no. That's all. Damn.
Hey man, my shit.
You good? No, you cool, yeah. That was just a good shot on the Ali part. A little alcohol, you straight. A little alcohol, you straight.
I feel like that shit is nothing though.
It's really not.
I feel like that shit is literally
It's not at all.
You got the peroxide in you.
I just felt my teeth.
Where's the peroxide? Yeah, I had to do that when I put my tongue over.
Oh, I remember that. He was like, heads up.
The bitch is gonna get through.
Damn, this nigga is tough.
Bro,
That's 11 up. That's 11 up.
That's 11 up.
11 up. What about 2-1? What y'all doing? Nah, straight fuck that.
11 up.
This 11 up.
Yeah, it's 11 up. He just hit 2.
Hey! We had 7.
bro, this that's the only reason these niggas be catching up.
Stop that. I'm
It is. He's so worthy. Let's get back with the cheating.
3 in your mouth, nigga.
Pause.
Oh my God.
Fuck! You gotta talk him through it sometimes. Sometimes you gotta
Pause. Yo. Yo. Pause.
fucking cat, bro.
Hey, Josh, way to get on to the deal. All of you see man. You got all.
That's my hand. That's his. That went mine.
Why screen right? Screen right.
We're here, bro. We're here, bro. We're still here, bro. We're here, bro. We're here, bro. We're here.
I thought Bird was gonna cut. I thought Bird was non, man. Why screen? Why screen? Screen right.
He on mid or something.
Bring this back to the homies. Hey, J-Bo.
I like it.
Hey, tell me, send me a double. Hey, game on, Bird.
Oh, shit.
Oh, holy fuck. Times a week we put his dance on. He does the extra. 225. He's doing a plate with 300 pounds on his back. What the fuck? I thought he was about to
Vietnam.
Oh, we good.
Vietnam.
That's cheese!
Come on, boy. I set him up like that.
20 seconds.
Come on.
Pull him up.
No, I'm fucking no, nigga. I'm disagreeing. All right, let's go. Let's go, man. Yeah, brother, roll. Right up, right up.
I got ankle material.
Right.
Had to get out of that.
Right.
That's what I get for the rest of the year, man.
Okay, here you go.
It'll grow into these. Hey, get touch it.
Move, bitch. Move, bitch.
Oh, what's that? Come on. Already?
I should won.
They didn't have NBA draft back then.
40.
They didn't have NBA draft back then, man.
See how everybody moves? Y'all see that?
They didn't will go to college yet. Nobody knows.
He's not a real person, bro. Oh, Ali!
Damn.
I don't be fouling, bro. I really don't be fouling.
Man, fuck that air, man. Get in that shit, man.
Ready?
Hey, Deborah, let me see that, man. A screw shot, a screw shot.
Oh, let me in the picture.
It is, man. I passed with 100. Oh, that's it. No! No! Oh, shit.
Right up, nah, I'm right up. God, step up some, please.
Hey, shoot that. Watch your foot.
You nigga need me to run up with it, G.
Wait, you got it.
I'm about to say.
No!
Let's go! Let's go! Get the fuck off!
Nah.
Get the fuck off! Get the fuck off!
And shot came in strength protected.
Yeah, you was right. You deserve it.
Really?
Ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, we put belt with the ass in the end. First game was bullshit, as y'all know. Y'all saw that. Y'all saw that. No, talk to him, man.
I ain't even got much to say, bro. You know how this shit get out here. Either you're gonna play or get cooked. I know what's going on, man. I don't even know what to say. Damn, another win.
I'm not gonna waste it on. He's having a really bad first. How many points he got?
That's game, man.
Bye-bye.